Okay, so we're at 2605 West. I forget the rest of the address. Wolf? It's Wolf. And this home is currently being used for an Airbnb. Let's go check it out. So that's why the cute furniture and the nice flooring. They did a good job redoing things. Some missing baseboards. We've still got some popcorn ceilings up in here. But look at all the seating, it's cute. Great little idea. New kitchen, laundry room, open concept in the laundry. We'll go in there in just a second. Let's take a look outside. Okay, it looks like they've got a little hot tub. There's a bee right there. Oh, it's cute. And you're not right off of right off of Pierce, which is kind of a busy road. So it's kind of got like a really cute vibe out here. Like a little, what would you say? Maybe a she shed over there. Okay, your water heater's outside. This is a blow up. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, bikes, extra stuff. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay. It looks like it was recently painted too. So let's go look. Okay, trash is kind of hidden away. Sink, all the fun stuff. Laundry. Half bath downstairs. Let's go check out upstairs. A little coffee bar. Awesome. All right, upstairs. We have a full bath. Closet. Second bedroom. Really great use of space for what they're using it for. Second bedroom. All right, second bedroom. Oh, so we still have some popcorn ceilings in the house, but overall very cute space.